You clicked this video because you saw stop praying for confidence. Now, before you get mad at me, hear me out. I'm not saying stop praying. We should pray without ceasing. But if you truly want to gain confidence, you've got to practice what you fear. Because faith without works is dead. There's a reason you're not confident in going live or speaking in front of people or fully showing up as you. You've been judged before and you fear being judged again. You've doubted yourself. You told yourself, I'm too old or it's too late. But confidence isn't something you wait for, it is something you work towards. When you practice what you fear, that's when confidence starts to rise. Go live, even if your voice shakes. Practice that speech. Speak life over yourself every single day. Because the more you practice, the less room fear has to stay. Here is what I've learned: what you practice becomes what you believe. When you practice showing up, your confidence grows. When you practice speaking life, your mindset shifts. And the very thing you prayed for starts showing up. That's why the A in my pray framework stands for action plus repetition equals consistent confidence. I call it the ARC, ARC. When you stay in that ARC, your confidence becomes unstoppable. So don't just pray for confidence, practice it. God will meet you in the movement. If this encouraged you, share it with a friend. Hit like and subscribe for more faith filled confidence tips. And comment 10 below if you want my free download: 10 biblical verses to speak life daily. Because remember, confidence is an action that must be practiced.